All right. Scotty, we're under the car. Yes.
Yes, we are.
Underneath. So, today's fun and games is the transcooler lines. We're going to undo them and put in our brand new set. Where'd they go? Oh, they're over there. Right there. Scotty, show Tim what he's won, Scotty!
These could all be yours if the price is right.
Well, the price was right because Alan from Mustang Country, of course, hooks us up on these things. We get great deals, great pricing. So, those babies go right here. Getting this top one's going to be a see you next Tuesday, though. Where is that little bastard?
I'll get it.
I see it. It's right there.
Yeah, I'll get it.
Unchristian-like hands. Oops, sorry, Scotty. Here's that right?
Thanks, Wick.
I know, right? Wick's been always getting us with the headlamp and stuff. So, the reason we're replacing these is when we were going to remove the radiator, the nut on the passenger side line was stripped onto the fitting. Like, it will not come off. It is still on there. So we do have to get a fitting for the radiator as well. So we ended up having to give it the little, was it driver's side, passenger side? I don't know. We had to give it a little, well, sayonara. Let's just say sayonara. Oh, there it is. So there was no way to get it off safely, which is fine. They were a little leaky, a little worn, a little up out of the way. So not a big deal. Just gonna swap them babies out.